Alrighty. So once you get to Clever, you want to make sure that it says Cincinnati School District on top. If you use your student laptop, it will always say that. Then you're going to click the log in with Google option in order to enter your child's Google account. So once you enter in on your student's account, on the Clever page, they're going to have an option that is their teacher pages. And you can always favorite the teacher page so that it pops up at the top of your child's screen. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on that teacher page. I will always have an announcement up at the top of the screen where you will get updated information as well as all of the reminders for our extra apps that we have. Then our important apps, Edgenuity and Google Meet. Of course, Edgenuity is the most important link. You should be getting on here every single day to complete work and turn in activities. So you're going to click that Edgenuity tab, and this is where you will log in with your student's account information. So you want to use their username. So it's going to be their username that they use to log in the computer. It's going to be at Cincinnati PS for publicschool.org. Their password is their birthday, starting with a 0 if they have an early month birthday. So you want to make sure that it is an 8-digit password as you enter that into the system. Once you get that login information entered in, you're going to have your dashboard, which this system is at the actual Edgenuity website. All of our work is done on the student portal, so you will have to click onto one of these in order to get to your student portal. So this opens up all of the classes that you have each semester or quarter. And so you'll have your classes here and they can go ahead and get started with their work.